Hello everyone, welcome to Dill. So for my first video, I'm going to be kind of kicking it off with something basic but also a little bit more complex. So what I'm doing is I'm going to teach you all how to make a single serving of a deep dish chocolate chip cookie. So this entire thing is going to be a chocolate chip cookie. So first off, you're going to need these ingredients. I'm going to put them on the screen with these quantities almost exactly. There's a little bit of room for leeway. First up, you're going to preheat your oven to 375. You're going to take your tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of baking soda. Put that in whatever container, put it in the microwave, and let that melt. Fun fact, a pinch is an actual unit of measurement where it's 1/8 of a teaspoon. Next up, you're going to take a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of regular granulated sugar. Now you're going to take your butter, salt, and baking soda mixture, pour it in, and mix it up. And mix it up until you get this. It looks a little lighter than on my TikTok because I'm using light brown sugar instead of dark brown sugar. Now you're going to add some of your flour, not all of it, to bring down the temperature so that way it's safe. And then mix it up. You're going to add the rest of the flour until you get a dough. Add some vanilla extract. You can add as much as you want or as little. I stick around a teaspoon and mix it up. That looks familiar, doesn't it? Now that you have your dough, slowly incorporate the flour so that way you end up with this. Add as many chocolate chips as you like and bake in the oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, it should look like this. Okay, so now that this is finished, let's try this out. Ooh, it's very, very fun. It's so good. It's so good. It's just like a giant deep dish cookie. I highly recommend trying this out. Only critique, it's a little undercooked, so I would do about 15-ish minutes, but just keep an eye on it and you should be good. Make sure to subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching.